Let's take a look at the W rake and use what's called a kinetic attack. Now, your W rake is the one that's up on top, and you'll notice that I'm comparing him to your double peak. The W rake is shorter in profile, has slightly different angles, and the humps are closer together. And that's because we're going to be using him in kind of a violent manner against these. We're going to be using him as more or less as a bump key and kinetically attack these picks or these pins. The way we're going to do it, we're going to insert him in there, and then we're just going to yank him out very quickly. And as we yank him out, those very steep angles on the top of those peaks are going to strike those pins, transfer the energy from the pick to the pin, and hopefully overcome the spring tension and push those pins up to the shear line or very close to it. Now, this is a 6-pin lock. Doesn't work every single time. So I'm going to slide him in. I'm going to reach my finger bind and apply light tension, just like we do with raking, and yank him out very quickly, trying to transfer that energy to those pins. Now, sometimes it's going to overset them, and if it does that, you release tension and then try it again. Apply very light tension, and eventually you're going to get an open exactly like that. 6-pin locks are going to take longer to zip open or to kinetic attack open than 5-pinners, and 4-pinners are usually very quick. 1 or 2 very quick kinetic attacks with your W rake, and the 4-pinner usually will come open. 6 usually takes a little bit more than that, but it's still possible, especially if they're non-security pins. If they're standard pins, the W rake using a kinetic attack works very, very quickly. Good luck, guys.